Very good morning, children. So last class I had completed my bridge course. So today I told you that I'll come out with the lessons. So before starting a lesson, I'll just explain a small poem for you. Okay, this one you would have learned in UKG also, children. If you have your textbooks, you can take out your textbooks and come to page number 9. Okay, so just I'll show you once in the camera. See page number 9. The poem name is Clap Your Hands. Okay, I'll just read out for you once. So listen to that. Okay. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. So if you're willing to clap your hands, you can also clap and sing, children. Okay. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Next is tap your feet, tap your feet. Listen to the music and tap your feet. You need to tap your feet like this, okay? Next is turn around, turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. You need to turn around. Next is last one. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. So, the nice poem, children, okay, you need to sing it very melodiously and enjoy your rhyme, okay. Once again, I'll repeat it for you. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Tap your feet, tap your feet. Listen to the music and tap your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. So, hope so. I think you enjoyed the rhymes, children. Okay. Yes, now come to the next page. So, here I'm starting up with the lesson as I told you. Okay. Yes, come to page number 10 now. Yes, page number 10. That is in the park. The lesson is the park. This is lesson number 1. Yes, lesson number 1, children. Okay. Now ready? Yes, this is, the lesson name is In the Park. So, what is the park? What is the park? An open area in a town, often with grass or trees or plants, beautiful flowers, and birds will be there in the park. So, where people can go to walk and play. So, the people go to walk and play there. It's a space set aside for the human enjoyment and recreation. Okay. A park is an area of a natural air. You can see many plants, trees, flowers, birds, and small insects you can see, children. Okay. And the birds will be making beautiful noises inside the trees. They'll be sitting inside the tree and they'll be making chirping sounds. What sounds? Chirp. They make a sounds like that. Okay. So, few points I'll tell about the park, children. Yes. Cleaning the area. The air. Cleaning the air. Sorry, children. Cleaning the air. What is the park? It cleans the air. First point is cleans the air. Okay. The second point is providing space. Providing space means it is a big area. Okay. Providing space. It's a big area. Like if you for example, Max Muller School, the school which you study, children. There, what you were doing, next to your building only the park was there. So you were seeing, no, so big area of a park. So many trees and plants will be there. Different kinds of plants and trees you can see, children. Okay, and beautiful flowers will be there. Very beautiful, colorful flowers will be there. and there will be a play area. In that play area, slide, seesaw, swing, many things will be there, children, for you to play. Okay. Yes, that is the providing space. Big space will be there. Next is encouraging activity for kids. Encouraging activity for kids. So once you go to a park, what will happen? You love to play there, you love to enjoy, run, jump, and you keep on doing flips also there. Many children I have seen doing that. Okay, including everyone in play. Yes. So this is a park. What all the advantages you can see in the park? Okay, the cleans the air. The fresh air will be coming once you go to the park. Early morning, if you get up while daddy, mommy goes to walk, you can also join with them, and you can have a walk or play in the play area. Like that, you can do it, children. So you can feel the fresh air, clean air, not the polluted one. So if you be in the traffic, what you see, lot of smoke will be coming out of the vehicles. That is all called the polluted air. That will infect us. Okay. So this one, if you go to a park, at least in the morning or in the evening, children, whenever you go, you feel fresh air, because lot of trees and plants will be there. No? They will give you fresh air to breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Yes, next one, providing space. I told you providing space is the school which you study. Next to the school only, you have a beautiful park that is called as Kuvempu Park also. So it is maintained very nicely and neatly, children. Evening times you can go and enjoy your play there, enjoy playing in sand also. They have made a small sand pit area for the kids. I see every evening children will be playing with the sand. Some children will be playing in the play area like swing, slide, those things all are there, children. Okay. So enjoy your day in playing in the park. Make your time. Take your grandfather or grandmother or mother, father, auntie, uncle, whoever is there at home. Take them. Make them to sit in a park for a little while, and you can enjoy your day in the park. Okay. Like that. Next one. So encouraging activity for kids. So encouraging activities. So once you go to the park, how you feel? You can't sit idle. Okay. You start jumping, running, skipping, many things. Flipping also you will be doing in the park, and for the whole park you will be running every time. Okay. You will not sit in one place only. Okay. Like that. So that is a kind of activity for you, children. It's a physical activity. Okay. So it's a kind of exercise also for you. If you do walking, jumping, running, whatever you do, you sweat nicely. That is a kind of activity for you. So you will be fresh also. You feel fresh and enjoy nicely playing there. Okay. Yes. Lastly, come to that, including everyone in play. Including everyone means like if your daddy, mommy comes, they play shuttlecock there. Some parents will be playing shuttlecock. Some will be playing in play area. Children will be playing in play area. And some daddy, mommy or grandfather, grandmother, they will be doing walking. Okay, walking and exercise, free hand exercise they'll be doing there. And there's a small gym also. Nowadays in the park, they'll be doing cycling. They'll be doing some kind of exercises. All are there, children. Okay. So that all you'll see the advantages in the park. Okay. So now I'll start up with the lesson. It's a beautiful lesson about a park, children. So one child named Anu, she had gone to a park with her mother. Okay. So I'll explain that lesson for you. Now keep your textbooks ready. These are the advantages what I said you, that it will be in the park, children. Okay. So enjoy your day. Every day you go to park, but be very careful, children. Wear a mask, have a sanitizer in your hand. Wherever you go, whatever you touch, sanitize your hands. And once you go home, wash your hands, legs, everything. Be very neatly, children. Okay. Yes, I'll start up with the lesson now. So be ready. In the park. So this is a park. Okay. You can see the picture in the textbook, children. This is a park. There are some children in the park. Okay. You can see children playing there with the ball. Okay. And one boy is doing skatings and one boy is doing flipping there. And you can see the small picture. Okay. The children are playing. What do the children do? The children are playing. Yes. Next, come to the next para. Anu is in the park. So the girl's name is Anu here. Anu is in the park. She is with her mother. They are walking. Look, Anu, says her mother. So mother is calling Anu and asking her to look here. This is a pond and these are ducks. So they see a beautiful small pond there. So they see a beautiful small pond. And inside that, ducks will be there, children. Okay. So there's a big duck and there's a small ducklings also. The babies of the ducks. It is called as ducklings. Okay. So you can see a pond. In few parks it will be, children. In few parks it will not be there. They will be kept it as a fountain. In that fountain they will leave the small ducks inside the water. Okay. So here you can see in the picture they are walking. Look, Anu, says her mother. This is a pond and these are ducks. So this is a mother duck and here are the two baby ducks. That is called as ducklings. Okay. Now they are sitting by the pond. So mother and Anu are sitting by the pond and they are viewing. Viewing means they are seeing the ducks. Okay, so pretty it looks inside the water. It will be running around and playing. It will be flipping his feathers also and it will be playing in the water. It will be, look will be good to see. Okay. Yes, they are looking at the ducks. So mother and Anu both are sitting and looking the ducks, children. Okay. Yes, come to the next para. Look at those monkeys, says Anu. So now Anu is showing her mother. Look at those monkeys, says Anu. Yes, that is the mother monkey. So how I said you, here will be a mother and the followed by two children, two ducklings, baby ducks. Okay. So here again, in the branch of a tree, there is a mother monkey sitting, big monkey. That is a mother monkey. Yes, that is the mother monkey. Those are the baby monkeys, says our mother. So there are two babies sitting inside the branch. You can see one is sitting near a small branch and one is touching her mother and sitting there. Okay, those are the baby monkeys, says her mother. Okay, come to page number 11, children now. Come to page number 11. Yes, page number 11. Again, continuation is there about the lesson. Yes, next one. Come here, Anu, says her mother. So, mother is calling Anu. Look at those flowers. So, there will be, as I told you, before I started the lesson, I told you there will be beautiful flowers in the park, children. So, you should not pluck the flowers. Okay? You should not pluck the flowers. Just see the nature, see the beautiful color and enjoy seeing the nature, children. Okay. You should not pluck the flowers. So once the security person will be there for a park. So if he sees you, he will beat you. Okay. He will scold you or beat you, children. Okay. Don't touch any plants there in the park. Just go and enjoy the colorful flowers and colorful plants, what all are there. You can take pictures. Okay, you can take your mobile and take your selfies also. Nowadays, you all are very good in taking selfies. No, right, wherever you go, you will just take a selfie, hold the camera and you will take a selfie. So you can do it with your friends or mommy, daddy, whoever. Whatever you feel like taking, whatever you enjoy seeing it, you like to take a picture means you can take it. Okay. Yes, look at those flowers. What is that, Mama? Anu asks. So the Anu is asking, what is it, Mama? So that is a butterfly, says her mother. So here I'll just draw a small flower for you children. Just draw a small flower. I'll giving you an example. That's all. So here comes the butterfly. Yes, this is the butterfly. Okay, so it is coming near the flower. It is coming and sitting near the flower. The flower is beautiful to see. So butterfly, what does it do? It comes and sucks the nectar from that. So flower will be having a sweet kind of liquid inside the flower children. So butterfly and the honey bee, they come and sit on the flower and they suck the nectar inside. Okay. Yes. That is a butterfly, says a mother. Okay. Next. Anu and the mother are sitting in the park. Anu and her mother are sitting in the park. So it is going to get evening, children. Evening, what will happen? The sun is setting in the sky. So sun is setting in the sky. So these are the mountains. What you see? Mountains. In between that, you can see a beautiful sun. In between that, you can see a beautiful sun. So, evening times what happens? Yes, the sun sets. The sun sets means it is going inside. Okay, it is going inside. Morning times, it will be on the sky. Evening times, it will go under the water. Okay, like that. So, here Anu and her mother are sitting in the park. The sun is setting in the sky. Mama, look at those birds, says Anu. So here, once the sun is going to set, what happens here? Few birds, they keep on flying to their houses. So near the sun only you can see many birds will be flying. I've just written as a roughly children. So these are the birds what you see. It is flying to their nests. So here I'll just draw a tree. Inside there, the nest will be there. So the birds will be flying to their evening times to the nest. Okay. Mama, look at those birds, says Anu. Yes, they are flying to their nests, says her mother. So the birds are going to their nest. How you also go? After it gets darker in the park, what you do? Mommy will be calling you, come dear, we'll go home, it's already dark. And if it is rainy also, she'll be telling, it is about to rain, children, come let us go home. Okay, like that they'll be calling you, like that same thing. Yes, they are flying to their nest, says her mother. It is getting dark. Anu and her mother are going home now. Yes. So what you learnt about the park, children? So I told you the park is an area, space, big space with a beautiful grass, trees, plants, flowers, birds, small insects will be there, like that. Okay, it is a play area. Play area is there, where you see seesaw, slide, swing, duck, many things are there, children. In one park, one kind of different play area is there. Play things will be there. Okay, so people like to walk there. So like your grandparents means grandparents, daddy, mummy, whoever, they like to walk in the park. And you, what you do, keep on playing one or the other area. You will be changing for a few time. Okay, like that. Few minutes you will be playing in a play area. Next, you will come to the sand pit play. Next, you will go run somewhere, find something, find your friends there, and you will hold his hand and you keep on running around the park for many times like that. Or sometimes you'll be playing badminton also. What I said, shuttlecock, that is called as badminton. Or if you take a cricket bat or ball, you'll be playing cricket bat and ball. If you take a ball, you can throw and play. And many things are there, children. You can take a frisbee, that is a disc, what? It will be in a round shape like this. Like plate only it will be. The plate only. If you throw it, they will catch and again they will throw you back like that. Okay? Many things are there like frisbee, ball, bat and ball, shuttlecock. Rings also you can play. Girls will be playing rings, and if you can take a skipping also you can take and play there in the park, children. Okay, many things are there. It is a human enjoyment place. So this is a normal park, children. If you go to a national park, you can see many animals kept there. Okay, they will be kept a big cage there. Inside the cage, the animals will be protected very safely. Okay, you can have a view of that national park. If you tell your daddy, mommy to take you to the national park, there in Bangalore, there's a Bannerghatta National Park is there. You can go there, have a look at the animals there. Lion, tiger is there. Many things are there, children. You can see it very closely. They will take you to the this one, lion and tiger. It is called as lion or tiger safari. They call it as. They will take you in a van, but you should be very careful. Don't put your hands outside. Okay, go see, enjoy yourself. Go like a picnic, have some food also there. Take some food, tell mommy to carry some food also with you. And you can enjoy very nicely. Elephant is there. They will take you an elephant ride for you there. And many small animals are there, children. You can go and enjoy in the national park also. Okay. So today I have completed this lesson, children. So now I'll just start up with a small exercise in this lesson. Okay. Now come to page number 12. Come to page number 12. Before starting the exercise, I'll give you a homework. Okay. That homework you need to do it for three times. The spellings what I give you. Okay. Here I'll write up the homework for you. Just take out your rough note, copy down. If you have your textbook, you can go through your textbook and write it in the English homework book, children. Last class I told you 200 pages, 4-line book for your English homework. Bind it, label it, write your name and start writing the homeworks. From the beginning, what all homeworks I had given you, big ABCD, small ABCD, cursive letters, vowels, consonants, those things all should be written in your book. Okay. From the next or the next week, maybe correction part will be starting for us. You need to come down to the school and give it for the correction, children. Very neatly write it. Don't scribble, don't make dirty handwriting. Okay. Be like a good children and write it and bring. Okay. We'll correct it. If it is very neatly, we'll put star for you. We'll put good for you. Okay. Okay, children. Now come towards the board. I'll write the assignment now. Yes, assignment, write it for 3 times. Okay, I'll give you the spellings now. How many spellings are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 are there, children. Okay, 18 spellings are there. So before I start the exercise, I will give off the assignment for you. First one is park. Second one is children. Very neatly I want all of you to write the homework and bring. Playing. Playing. Okay. Children, one more thing I wanted to tell you. While recording is going on, if you are not very clear of this words, children, what you do? Once I finish off writing the words, you take a screenshot of this. Okay. Tell daddy, mommy or your elder brother, sisters, anybody are there. Hold the screenshot and zoom it and see and copy the words, children. If you're not able to see, I'm writing big here. If you're not able to see, tell them to take a screenshot and give. Then you can zoom it and copy down, children. Okay. So take out your English homework and start writing the words, children. I'm writing it in cursive handwriting. You should also follow the same cursive handwriting in the book, children. Okay. Pond, ducks, monkey, yes, next one is tree, just come down the side. Just wait for 2 minutes, children. I'll finish off here and I'll go that side, okay? Flowers, butterfly, butterfly, very carefully write it, children. This is B. Don't think this is L. That is B. Cursive B, what I have written is. Okay. Sun, sky, birds, setting. This is the sun sets, no? That is called as setting. Yes, 15th one. Nest. This is the place of birds. Home. Bird's home is called as nest. Dark. D-A-R-K. Dark. Dark means once if it is 6 o'clock, what happens? It will become dark. The sky will become dark. No, that is called as dark. Home. Home is the place where you stay. Next is last one. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. The birds are flying in the sky. Okay. Yes. Once again, I'll explain the words for you. Okay. The first one is park. So assignment, you need to write it as 3 times. Take a help of a scale. Draw neat lines, children. Then write it 3 times and you should bring it for correction. Okay. First one is park, the place where you go to play in the evenings or mornings, like that. Next is children. Children are you people only. Okay. Playing. Playing is what you play. Going there, running, jumping, flipping, everything you keep on doing, no? That is called as playing. Mother. Mother is a person who takes care of you every time. Okay. She is a mother. Pond. Pond, as I told you in the beginning of the lesson, there is a small water inside, kept inside the pond, and ducks will be left inside. Some places they will be kept it as a fountain. Here in the park they will kept it as a small pond. In that ducks will be playing. Duck and ducklings, baby ducks will be there. Okay. So ducks, just now I explained, no? The ducks. Okay. Monkey. Monkey, you will be very familiar of that, no children? Wherever you go to temples or wherever you go for picnic, there monkeys will be there, no? So that one. Next is tree. Tree is a tree you can see near your house also, no? Big trees will be there, okay, like that. Next is flowers. Flowers, as I told you in the park, beautiful, colorful flowers will be there. Either than that, for every day for puja also, mummy will be using flowers for keeping for God. Like that, flowers. Next is butterfly. Butterfly is a beautiful insect, children. It will be in many colors. Okay. So butterfly is an insect. Sun. Sun is what you see in the morning times. Okay. If you go out of the house, if you see towards the sky, what you see? Sun will be there. Okay. Sky. Sky also. If you come out and see, beautiful blue sky will be, you can see. Birds. Birds, what you see around your home, park, wherever you go, birds will be flying in the sky or sitting on the terrace also, and some will come to eat the food also near your terrace. Yes, setting. Setting is the sun sets in the evening, no? That is setting. Nest. Nest is the home of a bird. Dark. Dark is once morning times, evening times. Once it gets 6 o'clock, it will become dark. So that is thing. Home. Home is the place where you stay with your daddy, mummy, grandparents. That is called as home. Next is flying. Flying. The birds fly in the sky. Not only birds, children. If you are playing kite, that also you keep flying in the sky, no? If you see, you can see in the sky many times. Okay? Yes. Next now. Yes, now I'll just give you one small exercise, children, and I'll conclude my class here. So for the next class, I'll continue the three more exercises are there, and one more lesson I'll be teaching you. Okay? Yes. Now just come to the first main, page number 13, children. Come to page number 13. Yes, page number 13. I'll just give you the statements, whether true or false. Okay, just mark it in the pencil. Yes, the first one. First one is Anu is with her mother. Anu is with her father. They given you wrong statement here. So Anu had been with her mother. So what you need to do? You need to write it as false. Okay? Yes. The next one. Second one. The monkey The monkeys are on the tree. The monkeys are on the tree. Yes, the statement is true. Right? T-R-U-E, true. Third one. Anu is playing in the park. Anu is playing in the park. So this statement is false, children. She was not playing in the park. She was just sitting with her mother and she was seeing all the things, what all was happening in the park. Okay. The fourth one, the birds are in the sky. The birds are in the sky. So the statement is true. So you can see, I explained in the lesson, the birds will be flying in the sky every time, no? Yes, the sun is rising. The sun is rising, but the sun is setting. This is the wrong statement. Okay, you need to write it as false. Okay, that's it, children. Okay, so today I completed the first main. So next class, another 4 more mains are there, children. Okay, I'll give you that for your, I'll make you to write in the textbook, children. Okay, so I'll be ending up my class here. Whatever homework I given you, write it 3 times, children. The 18 words I given you, draw a line, write it very neatly. Okay, so I'll meet up you in the next class. Thank you so much, children.